Before I start today's video, I wanted to go over a couple different things, some exciting news that I have coming up, or for our whole channel in general. Before that, as you can see, I got the boys with me. My pit bull is really excited to go to the dog park. He may whine a little bit, but before coming here, I had to stop at the auto parts store, and see, there he is. And we got a little squirrely in the Bronco. Things happened. You'll see in episode 3 on what went down in the Bronco. But for today, I got a couple things to tell you. Some super exciting news that I'm really excited about. We have a couple events coming up. The first event is going to be in next week, September 14th, at Bridgeport. Now, I know these are all going to be Texas spots except one. The second is going to be in Gilmer, and that's going to be October 12th and 13th. The third event is going to be in Hot Springs, Arkansas. For the Veterans Day run. We'll be out there. I probably won't take the Bronco out, but the JL and the JK will definitely be there. Chris and Brandon are going to be bringing their rigs. I probably won't, unless I can get somebody a trailer of the Bronco. Get at me, let me know, because I would love to take the Bronco out there and play around. Now, what we also have is, if you come to any of these events, you'll get one of these free koozies. Just come hit me, Brandon, or Chris up. We have the koozies on us, and they're pretty dope. They came out really well. Now, we also have stickers and flags. Now, the stickers are going to be $5 each. They're about 3 by 5. I do vinyl graphics and stuff on the side other than my day job, but I have those. Those are going to be $5 each. And then our flags are 3 foot by 5 foot flags, standard flag size. Those are going to be $40 each. So come hit us, one of us up. We'll have them on the trail, and we'll be able to sell them to you, and we'll be good to go. Now, we really appreciate your support, because buying these stickers and the flags will definitely help us out with future builds, projects on our Broncos, to take them out to these trips, have these trips, break the trucks and fix them, and then be back on the trail. So we really appreciate all your guys' support. With that being said, enjoy today's video. I appreciate everything. Bye-bye. What's up, everybody? Nick from Wrenching and Wheeling. Today we got a fun little project. We're working on the JL today. Here's Brandon. Brandon, show us this new little mod you got going on here. What happened here?
A bunch of stuff.
What? You got some of that. We'll talk about that in a sec.
Radio, antenna, mount, another mount.
So we're doing the CB today.
Doing the CB. We're going to show you my license plates.
What is this?
Oh, you haven't seen the Grom?
No, I've seen the Grom. Show us the Grom. Does it do wheelies really good?
It's wheelies really good. it sometimes wheelies too much.
Show us your winch. Put the top back on. So how'd the detailer feel about the car when you dropped it off?
Surprised. Get the license plate.
Yeah, man. So
That thing didn't last very long.
That was the last trip to Bridgeport.
Yeah.
Well, that's gnarly. That's cool.
Wireless. It's waterproof. 10,000 pounds.
It's legit. So don't get stuck in water again.
Right?
Cool. Well, we're gonna start installing this CB. I'll show you progress along the way. But yeah, just keep watching.
Doing it the safe way. Hashtag Waller out that hole.
Why don't you just use the bigger bit?
That one's too big.
That bolt felt good?
After you Waller out, anything will fit in there.
Being very supportive and helping him out today. more of an emotional support role, but I think that was just your spacers rattling around. Beauty. Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
No, that's there to stay. That's perfect.
All right, now to run the wiring. All right, we now got the CB wired all up. Basically ran it through the panels, everything here. Tucked in the control box up in here. So for Brandon, if he wants, he can loosen this quick connect. I'll do it right now. Unplug it. This just hangs out right there, and then he can put this whole unit he has into his center console, into the glove box, and then he just has that. So when he goes back out wheeling, so for normal day-to-day, he doesn't have to have his CB hooked up. And it's super easy. Find it on there, push it on, and then just run the threads back on it. This will be a better solution for him. He doesn't have the big old truck like I do, where I have all this real estate all over the dash to mount the CB. So it's a really, really handy thing. And then he has his little retractable. Perfect. And we ran it all through here, under the carpet. It's all tucked away so you can't see it. And then for the antenna, it's a really tight fit. We have it here. So the reason he went with this antenna, generally you want it a little bit higher, but this is all fiberglass, so it shouldn't affect the reception. Also, when he's going through a trail, he doesn't have to worry about any extra height over the top of the truck hitting the antenna and smacking it around. For this kind of use, on how he's going to be using it, it's going to be really nice, so he doesn't have to worry about smacking it on everything. And then it's really mainly just to talk to the rest of us, and we're not going to be too far from where he is. All right. Just got the rear tire mounted. Now you can see the antenna sits on there perfectly. Offsetted the hole that we mounted it to, so it lines up perfect. So there shouldn't be huge issues there. You want to close this out?
Like, subscribe, and follow.
See you guys.